Ever stand in front of a blank canvas so big you think it might swallow you whole? That's where I'm starting today. Hi, I'm Rita. I've been a professional artist for over 25 years. In this video, you'll get a real-time look into how I begin a large abstract painting. No edits, no music, just paint, intuition, and the first bold moves. If you've ever wondered what it takes to go from blank canvas to something alive, stick with me. So this is it. This is a 60-inch by 40-inch canvas. And it's not the biggest I've painted. I have painted 48 by 60, but this is very close. This is like, I know it's on paint cans, but it's as big as I am. So just some moves with pencils and some artist crayons just to get some flow and movement. Okay, today I'm trying something new for fun. This is just some black paint with a little matte medium and a kitchen baster, a silicone kitchen baster. Not the best setup because you can hear the canvas is pounding against the wall, but I'm working in my living room. It's what I've got, and I'm gonna make it work. I'll probably get the canvas up on my easel after. But we're not gonna worry about that today. Starting this one off quite bold. You just want to get the movement. Again, I'm not thinking right now. I'm just getting color on the canvas and paint on the canvas. I just want to get rid of most of the blank canvas, although I will leave some of these marks peeking through, I think. I like when they end up in the finished painting. One thing about covering up a canvas this large is that it takes a lot of paint. So it's a good idea to maybe go for a more economical paint to do your underlayers. Like I always do my underlayers in student grade paint, which is, you know, it's fine for underlayers. I've actually even done paintings with just the student grade paint. I find it fine. It's just usually the coverage is not so thick so that you get a lot of see-through. It's not so thick, but I mean that's great for underlayers that are going to get many layers on top of it anyway. Here I'm using Liquitex Basics. I love them. I've been using them for years. No kickback. I just love them, so I mention them. In fact, I need more white. I'm sorry about that banging. It's bothering me too. But won't be much longer. This first coat is just about done. I'm curious if you've ever painted something as large. Let me know in the comments if you have, or if it's something you're planning to do. I always love to know what people are up to. And this will change. My paintings have lots of layers, so this is just the beginning. Okay, I'm going to go back with just some more marks right now while it's still wet. I'm just liking this a lot. There's a lot of movement in this, which is very exciting to me. And I think I'm actually done with this for the day. Off to a great start. Yeah, I'm gonna let it rest and dry, and then live with it for a few hours, days, a couple of days, and see how it goes. If you like my real-time painting videos, please like and subscribe. I could really use the help with my channel. And that's it for today.